Recently, OPPO released the OPPO Find X8 series, which includes the standard Find X8 and the Pro version, in the Chinese market. The Dimensity 9400 chip powers these models. Reports have revealed that the lineup will also include an Ultra model, and OPPO Find X8 Mini, which will possibly debut in Q1 2025. The OPPO Find X8 Ultra is featuring the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. Tipster Digital Chat Station has seemingly leaked the camera specifications of the Ultra variant. 1-inch main camera and dual periscope telephoto lenses. It will arrive with upgraded camera sensors, including a 50-megapixel large sensor main camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 6x optical zoom. Tipster, Smart Pikachu, claimed that the Find X8 Ultra will feature a new 2K OLED panel. In related news, OPPO is also working on the Find N5 foldable phone. It is highly likely that OPPO will unveil the Find N5, the world's first Snapdragon 8 Elite-powered foldable phone, in Q1 2025 in China. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.